Okay, so basically it's all about the new Supra and it's all the new hype. What about the new Supra? Is it good or is it bad? Let's have a talk on the new Supra. Okay, so before watching the video, I would like to tell you guys that I'm also going to start car reviews on this channel, which includes any car. If you say Mercedes, Swift, Honda City, Fortuner. So if you are really interested to watch car reviews, which will be informative, cinematic and funny. So if you are interested in watching car reviews on this channel, please share your thoughts in the comments below. And back to Supra. Okay guys, so the latest Toyota Supra has been unveiled in the Detroit Auto Show and it was one of the most awaited cars of 2018, 2019, 2017, probably 20 years. As we know about the last Supra, it was an A80 Toyota Supra with a 2JZ engine, and since that the Toyota Supra was totally discontinued and there was no signs of anything coming out of Supra. And same happened with the Nissan R34 as well. At least we saw an update of the R34 to the R35 in 2007. But there was still no signs of Toyota Supra. So the 2020 Toyota GR Supra has got a 3-liter flat 6. Oh no man. Is it a Porsche? The Toyota's GR Supra has got a 3-liter straight 6 engine which pumps up 335 horsepower. I wish it really had a 2JZ engine. Plus it's going to be a rear wheel drive, so plus twin exhaust. So does that make a car interesting for you guys? Okay, we missed the 0 to 100 figures. 0 to 100 with launch control in 4.3 seconds. The Ford Mustang goes 4 seconds flat. And this Supra with straight 6 goes 4.3 seconds, which is a really good figure before tunes. So the last Supra was heaven of the tuners, as a 2JZ engine was simply very easy to tune up. Just double up the horsepower just with a simple laptop tune. Is that possible with the latest Toyota Supra? Because the computers on these latest cars are so advanced that they really make the modifications and the modding so difficult. Actually, there is no such news about till date that Supra is going to come in India, but it should. Some of guys in India has already bought the Fast and Furious Gen Supra in India and they have already done 1000 bhp. And yeah, I missed one part. You can also say that the latest BMW Z4 and the Supra are siblings. So let's have a look at the exterior. So these are the looks of the car, and in my opinion it's looking good, but it could have been better. Okay, so first of all let's take a look at the old Gen Supra, which is so simple looking and in my opinion almost matches with the Ferrari 599 body shape, doesn't it? And the front end looks little bit like a Ferrari Enzo. But actually I am unsatisfied with the performance of the car. The R34 Skyline was a straight competitor to the A80 Supra, and the R35 GTR is so powerful that it competes with the Lamborghinis and the Ferraris with the performance. 0 to 100 in 2.7 seconds. Is that a joke? But we waited for the Supra almost 10 years. 2007. 12 years? We waited for the Supra 12 years. But still we didn't get the performance of like under 3 seconds, 0 to 100 figures and nothing like that. And one sad part, the car will be launched in only automatic gearbox. And also in coming months or years, there are also going to be a 4-cylinder model of the car. While some people are saying that it's going to be only an automatic, and some are saying it also can come in the 6-speed manual gearbox. I'm a personally fan of a manual gearbox. Like shifting the cars makes me more engaged to the driving of the car. So last, the pricing of the car is going to be around $48,000 to $55,000, which is going to be around 35 lakh rupees. But the Indian import charges will make the car around let's say 80-90 lakhs. So that's all about the new Toyota Supra, and personally I'm loving the car. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below, and like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Petrolhead's Paradise. Again soon I'll be back with new exciting videos. So then take care guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and take care. Make some noise. Bye bye. Jai Hind. Woo!